find that you're bending at the hips. So send your hips backwards away from the countertop and maybe soften your knees. Good, take a big breath in. Exhale, you can even release your head here. Good, and then move on your hips and take a little bend in your hips, knees, and ankles. This is your mini squat, down and up. And again, slowly down. You can put a roller underneath your foot and you can roll this front and back, anything that feels good. Trying not to let the roller get too far away. If you don't have a roller, you can use a ball here. Go ahead and put that ball under your foot and roll that anywhere that feels good. We like a little up, down. You can put your heel down and sweep your foot side to side. To your other side and reach up to the ceiling. Get as tall as possible and then take a little side bend. Reach long through your fingertips, feeling that you're pulling away from your hip and come back up.